Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character gōng step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. 共 means common. Together, total. For example, 公共 public. 公共 common. Now check this sentence. There is better public transportation, so it is easier to get around. 有较好的公共运输工具，到哪儿都很容易。There is better public transportation. There's better public transportation. So it is easier. To get around. 有较好的公共运输工具。有较好的公共运输工具。到哪儿都很容易。有较好的公共运输工具 public transportation 到哪儿都很容易。There is better public transportation, so it is easier to get around. 有较好的公共运输工具，到哪儿都很容易。有较好的公共运输工具，到哪儿都很容易。My daily handwriting on the character 共。共 common. Together total. 公共 public common. There's better public transportation, so it is easier to get around. 有较好的公共运输工具，到哪儿都很容易。共 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 共. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.